Hello, it's Brent Shire with Leverage and Lean, and this is the See It How video for the Encrypt document with password protection tutorial. If you're worried about privacy with, let's say, Excel, PowerPoint, or Word, you can watch this video and I'll walk you through some steps of how to create a password for those applications. So if you scroll down, you'll see this section where you can read how to do this instead of watching this video. And I want to show you can just click full screen to get this in a bigger and better view. And I'll walk you through how to do this for Word. So when opening Word, we're going to click File, get to Info, and then you'll have this section titled Protect Document. Once you're at this point, you can encrypt the Word document with a password, and then it's going to ask you to enter that twice. And do not forget that password. It is case sensitive as well. Once you reopen the Word document, you'll be prompted to enter in a password to actually edit it. And then once you've entered that, you can always undo this by then going back to Protect Document and clearing out that password. So let me show you how to do this. If I navigate to this open Word document I have, I can go up to File, Info, and then Protect Document. And then Encrypt with Password will bring up this pop-up where I can enter in a password. You'll be prompted to enter this twice to ensure your entries match. Alright, and then once you do this, save Word. Then I can close and show you what happens when I reopen this Word document. I will get prompted to enter in that password before I can do anything to this document. And you can see that here. So it's really important to not forget your password, but this is a good way to keep people out of things if you're sharing things but really don't want certain people to have access to it. If you want to undo that password, as I mentioned before, you can go back to File, Info, and then from Protect Document, you can go back to Encrypt with Password and simply clear out the password you have just entered here. And then just save. And you'll no longer get that password pop up. Alright, so I can navigate back to that tutorial page. When you're done with this PDF, you can simply close it. So there you go. And these instructions are essentially the same for Excel or PowerPoint. Alright, well, don't hesitate to contact me with any questions or concerns on this one. Stay awesome.